Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about brows. I know I look a little crazy right now since I have like an awkward amount of makeup on right now, but I wanted to show you brows, so we needed a little something to get started. My brows are kind of in a weird stage right now. I've always been a brow gel girl and just throw it on and go, but I've recently realized that my brows have gotten really thin, and so because of that, I've found myself needing to fill them in more often than I used to have to. So this video is going to be dedicated to showing you how to do that. So if you would like to learn how to fill in your brows, then just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe for other cool videos. Thanks. Okay, so I have already done this brow. This is my bad brow, so I figured I would show you on my better side, just to give you an idea of what we're going for. Again, it looks a little crazy because I don't have a full face of makeup on right now, but we will show you on this side. First product I'm going to start with is Browfection, which is a brow powder duo, and this is in the shade Tawny and Ebony. It has two shades in here, and this is from a place called European Wax Center. This is actually where I get my brows done, and I bought this product there and really liked it. For the most part, I actually prefer working with powders. I think it does have a more natural effect. Today I'm going to be using a variety of different products, but this is kind of what I like to start off with to get things going. I do have two shades here. I will be using both of them just in different places. So this lighter shade, Tawny, I like to use up in the front for these baby hairs. So I'm just going to go in and do these really small hair-like marks up at the beginning of the brow, nice and light, because we do want to have a little bit of a gradient effect. And just a little bit on the brush. From there, I'm going to do a blend between this darker and lighter color and just tap a little bit on the middle of my brush. And I'm going to carve out my eyebrow, just outline it with the powder, that is all. You see how right here I do have these extra hairs that are kind of gone rogue? I'm just going to kind of connect those back into the rest of the brow so that I can kind of forge somewhat of an arch there. So again, really small little lines. The next product I'm going to go into is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the infamous Dip Brow Pomade, and this one is in the shade Ash Brown. And what I'm going to do with this one is to kind of fill in areas that might be missing a little bit of like bulk and a little bit of volume. This adds more volume than the powder does, so it kind of makes areas that are lacking hairs come to life a little bit more. So where I'm going to be focusing with this is really this little archway, since that tends to really disconnect for me, and trying to get everything to look a little bit more uniform. I'm just going to also outline, and then if there's a sparse area, I'll go in and lightly tap over. Sparse area there, sparse. So next I'm going to go in with a spoolie and just loosen up all of those hairs so that it's not clumped together. The next very important non-eyebrow related step is to conceal. This really helps to carve out the brow so that it stands out It looks a lot cleaner. This will also help to hide any product that might be lingering around there. So I'm just going to outline my brow not with a lot of product, but as close as you can to hide any extra hairs and to help set this out the rest of your face. Yep, and they look pretty crazy. So next I'm going to take a flat brush like this just because it gives me a lot of control and start to blend in that product without getting it into the actual brow. And next I will be setting that with the banana powder from NYX, their HD finishing powder, and just gently go in there and set everything that you just placed. So we are nearing the end, and the last thing we're going to use is our Colourpop, and this is the Brow Boss Gel. And I'm going to take this and start to feather out my eyebrows so that they're not so compact like little caterpillars, and try to add a more airy, natural kind of effect. Brows are done. I'm going to throw on a little something on the rest of my face so I don't look crazy, and I will be back soon. Alright guys, so I finished up the rest of my face, and this is where we're at. We have some nice big full brows. You guys saw them before. Weren't doing so hot. The only thing that I did do is I went into one of my palettes, Urban Decay Born to Run, doesn't really matter what you use them, and went into the shade Breakaway, and I threw that just as like my little brow highlight. But outside of that, we're done. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please feel free to comment, subscribe, ring the bell. Thanks guys. Thanks so much for watching.